Hey guys, hi, hello, and welcome to my video library. Okay, alright. So, hello everyone. This is Poonam from Paint and Clay Studio, and today, in front of you all, I'm here with an amazing offer on clay courses, and there are many new things which have arrived recently. So, I'm going to disclose everything to you. Let a few people join in more, and then I will disclose everything. So I came up with a course in the month of November. मैं नवंबर में लास्ट एक कोर्स के साथ आई थी विच वॉज माई फॉल अरेंजमेंट एंड आफ्टर दैट आई हैव I could not come for any of the courses. Before the fall, it was this Dendrobium orchid, and that's the fall arrangement. I've just taken out the flower and kept it like that only. मैंने ऐसे ही बस निकाल के, आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे वो ब्यूटीफुल डेलियाज हैं, वो सभी फ्लावर्स आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, send me hi, send me something. Hi Shalini. So there are a few people have joined in and I'm waiting for a few more. So last में Dendrobium orchids, the gorgeous Dendrobium orchids, you can see how gorgeous they look. So Dendrobiums, this is one and that's the other one. That's the Dendrobium farmery and aggregatum. I have clubbed in both of them. Sorry. Yeah. So I've clubbed in both of them and I've made one course. एक कोर्स मैंने बनाया था डेंड्रोबियम्स के लिए. तो डेंड्रोबियम के बाद मैंने सिजलर प्लाटर किए थे. उसके बाद मैंने फॉल अरेंजमेंट 2024 लेकर आई थी विच वॉज द डेलिया वन. उसके बाद मैं कोई भी कोर्स लेके नहीं आई, नहीं ला पाई इनफैक्ट. और अब जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं माई शोल्डर हैज़ अ हेयर लाइन फ्रैक्चर. आई एम अनेबल टू मूव माई हैंड दैट मच. सो I was resting all this time and now I'm like 70% healed. थोड़ा और टाइम बाकी है which will get over probably this month. I'm resting, I'm not doing anything. थोड़ा मोड़ा काम चालू है मेरा साथ साथ, but I'm still resting. I'm focusing more on rest. So I will be coming up with a new course in the month of April. The dates are not yet decided because I'm still finishing the course. I have to still make a few more videos. तो मैं नए कोर्स के साथ बहुत जल्दी आने वाली हूँ, तो आप लोग वेट कीजिए. और आज मैं ऑफर्स लेकर आई हूँ क्ले के लिए. मेरा क्ले का कंसाइनमेंट अभी रिसेंटली आया है और जैसे ही मेरा क्ले का कंसाइनमेंट आता है, द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज़ टू give the offers so that I give the freshest stock of clay to people. सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रेश मेरी क्ले तभी होती है जब वो नया नया क्ले आता है, और पिछले ही महीने मेरा नया क्ले आया है एंड नाउ आई एम ऑल सेट टू गिव यू गाइज द बेस्ट लॉट ऑफ क्ले. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे 4 courses आर ऑन डिस्काउंट and I have very limited cutters for the same, so people who are interested in having the courses, जिन्होंने नहीं लिए हैं वो इस समय ले सकते हैं. The courses I will tell you, connect me on WhatsApp, the same link, the pinned comment, आप वहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, और WhatsApp पे you can connect with me and I will share all the details with you. That's very clear. So the 4 courses which I'm going to give you on discount are, first is the geranium. So you'll learn 2 different variations of geranium. This is the red one, and you will learn the pink one, and you will learn the creeper arrangement. So 3 different styles of geraniums you will learn in 2 variations, and one in a creeper format and one in the plant format. So उसके बाद आपके पास जेरेनियम में सीखने के लिए कुछ बचता नहीं है. So geranium is one of the course. The other one is Lisianthus. I don't have it to show you because I've kept everything. इतनी छोटी सी packed up जगह में you can't keep a lot of things, you know. So the other course is Lisianthus. In Lisianthus also you will learn some 4 to 5 different styles, the different color variations of Lisianthus, and you will learn single stalks, and you will learn 2 different boxes onto which you will put the Lisianthus and make your own arrangement. And one of it is a Christmas celebration box into which you will learn the pine cones and, you know, the Christmassy things. I know it's not Christmas, but I wanted to give this course on discount because I have a lot of cutters with me, so you can just take the course and, you know, make the best use out of it. So the other course is Lisianthus. The third one is the Muscari, which you can see these blue ones, these gorgeous blue ones. This does not include any cutters to make the flowers. For leaves you need normal cutters. So मैंने leaves भी 2 तरीके से सिखाए हैं. One is using the cutter, and if you don't have the cutter you can just cut it with the hand and how to use it. 4 to 5 different tools of making Muscari. So many different variations you will learn into this course. So the other one is Muscari, and the fourth one is I forgot, sweet pea. Yes, the fourth one is sweet pea. Do I have the sweet pea here? I actually have it. It's there. There, you can't see it, right? You can't see it. I'll show you otherwise. So the sweet pea is one of the most beautiful beginning flowers I have made. They're gorgeous. These are the sweet peas. So you can see the sweet peas using the clay, and you can see the pods. You will learn the pea pods also. And this is one arrangement into which you will learn the sweet peas into the vase. The other one is that you will learn sweet peas in a frame. The frame I can't show you, it's there up. So yeah, sweet peas. So these 4 courses are on discount. 2 of them are actually 3 of them are the basic series courses, and one is the random course I took because I have a lot of cutters of the same. तो ये 4 कोर्सेज हमारे डिस्काउंट पर हैं. आप चाहें तो इन चारों कोर्सेज में से कोई भी कोर्स या ये चारों कोर्सेज आप बुक कर सकते हैं, and materials are very easily available. The price of the course, the fee for the course is slightly higher than the early bird discount offer, so please don't miss the chance. I have never done these courses on discount on this price ever. So मैं हमेशा किड्स लोगों को फ्री में देती हूँ, but this time I thought I will let people decide whether they want the kit or they don't want the kit, and I will give them the offer on the fee. मैं fee पे आपको डिस्काउंट देना प्रेफर कर रही थी. So this is the offer for the courses, and now we'll come to the clay. अब मैं clay बताती हूँ आपको. Clay जब भी मेरा नया स्टॉक आता है, the clay is as fresh as, you know, as it's like super fresh. So आप clay का shelf life बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है if you buy fresh stock of clay. It's a little hard to work with fresh stock of clay because it's very very soft, very difficult to handle with hands, and, you know, it sticks to the veiners sometimes. But if you keep it out in air for a few minutes, a couple of minutes, then it'll become perfectly all right to work with. और जब भी आप bulk में लेते हैं clay, you can always mention कि पूनम, I need a few packs of clay to work immediately and later on to save. तो मेरा clay का shelf life is around 9 months to 18 months. I personally have used 4 years old clay also. So clay ka shelf life is amazing. My clay shelf life is beautiful. So you can work as well as you can keep the clay, store the clay for very long period of time so that you can work with it later. So जब भी मेरे पास clay का नया stock आता है, I prefer to give the best lot to my students, as you know, just to keep it with them. तो इस समय क्ले पे ऑफर है, और ये साल में 1 या 2 बार ही मैं लेकर आती हूँ बिकॉज मेरा कंसाइनमेंट 2 बार आता है. तो आई प्रेफर टू गिव एज मच एज आई कैन इन द फ्रेशेस्ट स्टॉक. एंड इस समय क्ले पे ऑफर है. इफ़ यू बाय 1 kg यू विल गेट 1 pack ऑफ क्ले फ्री प्लस शिपिंग. इफ़ यू बाय 2 kgs यू विल गेट 2 packs ऑफ क्ले फ्री प्लस शिपिंग. If you buy 5 kg, you will get 3 packs of clay, which is 750 grams. 750 grams? Yeah, 750 grams. Free shipping. You won't be paying anything for shipping. And if you buy 10 kgs, you'll get 4 packs of clay and free shipping. So free shipping is for 5 kg and for 10 kg. And believe me when I say clay का stock जब आता है तो ये बिल्कुल फ्रेश होता है. मेरे पास जब ये हाथ में आता है तो ये अराउंड 3 months ओल्ड और मैक्सिमम बाय से 60 days आप सोच सकते हैं. इट्स जस्ट 60 days old. So you can keep the clay for very long. The shelf life is quite good, and you can keep the clay for quite long period of time. So that's the offer on clay, and that's the offer on the courses. These are the 4 courses which are there on discount, the one which I have mentioned. If you click on the link, if you want to know more about the courses, you can connect me on WhatsApp. I will share all the details with you, what all courses are there on discount, what is the offer on the clay, how can you book it, what is the method of paying, and when will you get your stocks, when will you get your couriers. So quickly you can WhatsApp me, and if you want to ask me any questions, you can go ahead with it. Okay, so yeah, Shalini. Hi. Hi, Deepthi. Hello, Neelu. So yeah, this is the offer on clay and the courses. Again, I'll repeat, I'll have 4 courses on discount on the just slightly higher than the early bird discount offer. मैं early bird repeat नहीं करती हूँ. All my students know this. So slightly higher than the early bird discount in the pre-launch offer. I'm giving you the same price, so you can just book the courses and avail the best discounts so far. So one is geranium, the other one is sweet pea, and muscari and lisianthus. So these 4 courses are there on discount. Connect me on WhatsApp to know more about it, and if you want to book the clay, you have to connect with me on WhatsApp. I'll share all the details with you. Alright, thank you for having me. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.